It's the 5th time this week you've explained inset versus overlay. Different client each time, same question, same explanation, built from scratch each time, on whatever energy you have at the moment in the day. Sometimes you use the door analogy and it clicks immediately. Sometimes you're running late and you give the abbreviated version and get a nod that isn't actually understanding. This morning, it's the Garcias. They're in the showroom. You have a site call at noon, and when they ask the question, you sketch it out on the back of a spec sheet. She nods, he nods. You can tell from the way they're nodding that they don't quite have it. Welcome to the Elevated Podcast. I'm your host, Brandy Lawson. This is the glossary. After they leave, you're putting samples away and you realize the explanation you gave them was fine. Not your best, just fine. Your best version of that explanation, the one where the door analogy lands and the comparison really clicks, you gave that one Tuesday afternoon to a different couple. No one was recording, it's gone. Here's what's happening. Every new client starts from zero. Inset, overlay, semi-custom, framed versus frameless, full access construction. These terms are native to you and completely foreign to them. And every time someone asks, you rebuild the answer from whatever's available that day. Great explanation, rushed explanation, distracted explanation. The quality varies, none of it exactly the same. Don't let your best thinking disappear when the conversation ends. The fix is the recorded glossary. Pick a morning when you have an hour and your energy's good. Set your phone to record. Sit down and explain each key concept the way you'd explain it to a friend who just hired you. Relaxed, thorough, using your real analogies. Inset versus overlay, semi-custom versus custom, the lead time reality, whatever your clients consistently ask about. Get it on record. Then, take the transcript to your AI tool of choice. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini Copilot, doesn't matter. And use a prompt like, turn this explanation into a one-page client guide with clean definitions and a simple comparison. Tone, friendly and clear, not technical. Review the output. Make it yours. Add it to your onboarding packet. Next time the Garcias ask about inset versus overlay, you say, great question, I actually made a guide for that. You email it. She reads it before the next appointment. She comes in with the vocabulary instead of the confusion. 15 minutes of your showroom time freed up, every time. And this compounds. Over time, you're building a library of your clearest thinking on the concepts your clients constantly struggle with. Explained once, in your voice, at your best. Every client gets the version you give when you have full energy and all the time in the world. The conversation still happens, it just starts from a different place. The AI note-taking guide covers how to build the client glossary, from recording your first explanation to creating a formatted reference your clients actually use. Get it at cabinetnotes.com. Next week, it's 6:05 p.m. You're still at your desk. You're not really working, you're just not leaving. There's a system for that. Hit subscribe.